Greetings everyone. Let us now discuss the wire leveling. And the concept of differential leveling still applies here. The only difference is that instead of using one reading, you will take three readings. And we will also be using only one rod for the wire leveling. So as you can see here on the right, if you look through the telescope, this is what you see. So we have a main crosshair here. Then we have an upper one and a lower one. So see right here, this is for C, this is for A, and this is for B. So what you'll see here. And not all of the automatic levelers have three crosshairs, but if yours happens to have one, then you can use that for precise leveling. Okay, so let's take a look at the legend here. A is the upper stadia hair reading, and then B is the lower stadia hair reading. C is the horizontal crosshair reading, and then we have here S is the stadia intercept. S here is simply the difference between A and B. And then M, the mean of the three hair readings. Okay, so A plus B plus C divided by 3. The horizontal HD is the horizontal distance from the level to the rod, and then the K is the stadia interval factor, and C is the instrument constant. As you can see here, you can determine HD. The horizontal distance is equal to K times S plus C. Okay, now you might be wondering why do we need this horizontal distance when we are only taking the vertical distance, right? We are leveling. Now in leveling, it is also important to know, to have an idea of the horizontal distance between the rod and the instrument, because we have a source of error. Let's say, for example, you have your instrument is right here, right? And then you have a rod here, and you also have a rod here. Let's say that they have equal distance from each rod to the instrument. Okay, so let's say you have a reading here, right? Oh, sorry. So you have a reading there. Okay, so let's say that your instrument has an error. Okay, so instead of the horizontal, the telescope tends to, when you peer through the telescope, you will see this value. It is slightly tilted upwards. Okay, this error happens to exist in your instrument, so you have a slightly defective instrument. Okay, but if the distance between the this the station to the turning point is equal, right? Is equal, then they will cancel out, because from here you will add, right, to get the instrument height, and then you will subtract here. So this error right here will cancel out. Okay, so that is one way that you can use to eliminate or minimize errors such as this one. Say for example, if your rod is right here and the distance is between this point to this is very huge, right? So as you can see here, the error, you have here a difference in error. So once you compute, they will not cancel out. Okay, so that's it. So, but in computing the levels, you will only be using the mean of the three hair readings. Okay. So let's now proceed to a table of values right here. So we have here, let's take a look, let's examine this. So BM1, we have here the elevation of BM1, and we have here the three readings. Okay, this is 1.152, that's the A, this is the C, and this is the B. The third one is the B. So if you take the mean of those three, you get this one. So in calculating for the height of instrument, you just simply add this elevation of BM1 to the mean, and you will get this one. Okay, height of instrument. And then you take three readings again for the foresight. So you will get these three readings, PP1. And then if you subtract these values from the HI, you will get this elevation. So basically the same as differential leveling. So you will just be using the mean. Okay. Okay, so until we arrive at our elevation of BM2. Oh. Okay, so now it's time to do an arithmetic check, right? We always do that at the last part. What we do is we get the summation of the mean. Okay, so for the backside, summation of backside will be equal to 7.620. 620. And the summation of the foresight here will be 6.757. Let's not forget to put the negative sign here. This is negative 6.757. Okay, so we take the elevation of BM1. So add that to the summation of backside, the summation of foresight. Oh, I'm sorry, this should be FS instead of BS. Okay, so you will get, if you will get 445.105, then that's an indication that you did the arithmetic correctly. Okay, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. 3-wire leveling. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next ones.